welcome to the newest version of The Honest Hour.
Please hit the subscribe button and that notification bell so that you know day or night when we have something at least we think it's interesting to say. And my father used to say, enough about me, what do you think of me?
That's right. Yeah. What are we talking about today on The Honest Hour, Rox?
You know, we have got several different layers of this whole tax assessment thing. The assessors don't like it when we say tax assessments, but that's how most of us know about it. One is that most of us who have a mortgage have got an escrow account, right? The escrow account, a part of the mortgage payment that we make every month, is being peeled off and thrown into an account with the lender, and then they use that at the beginning of the year to pay your insurance premium for the home insurance and to pay your property taxes. Well, we all know that the assessments came in high.
That's right. We've been, putting out a campaign for all of our clients and talking to people, and we're seeing a lot of people that were really shocked by that initial assessment that came out. So we've dug into it a lot, and there's definitely found some counties were more accurate than others in terms of our opinion of values.
That's right.
But the reality is, we were in a massively appreciating market. And so even though the assessors may have gotten it high in some counties, the property taxes are still going to be going up.
They're going to be going up, right? And I personally would rather not have my lender come to me next January and say, hey, we were undercharging you for taxes, send me a couple grand. So what a lot of them are doing is adjusting ahead of time, even though we're not going to see these property taxes go up yet. They're starting to, many of the lenders are adjusting the escrows. So we want you to be prepared for that.
Yeah, and just keep in mind, right, that property taxes in Colorado are paid in arrears. So when your tax bill comes due next year for 2024, you're actually paying 2023 taxes. And that's what the assessors are going through now, is saying, okay, we're in a reassessment year. They have to do it by statute every 2 years. And so 2023 will be your new tax rate. And as Rox was saying, those lenders are collecting part of your mortgage insurance, putting it into that escrow account to pay those bills when they come due. They're limited by how much they can collect. They can have certain overages. So in certain cases, you may have gotten a refund or a partial refund if they had over collected. Well, in this case, what we're talking about is they may be under collecting. They may be basing their current collections off of an old data set, right? And that was the old property taxes that are there. So be looking for these notices to come from your mortgage companies. They're anticipating these taxes are going to go up. They're going to be doing what they can in order to make sure you have the funds in that escrow account to pay those taxes when they come due next year.
That's right. You know, that's one of those documents that when it comes, it's an escrow. I don't even know what they call it, escrow balancing or something. It's just one page. It's got some numbers, 12 months of payments and how much are going into that escrow. And that's one of those I glance at and file. That's one to actually look at, because especially if you've got like your mortgage payments on auto pay through your bank, it could be that you're finding yourself underpaying if they have just raised your mortgage payment to accommodate those tax reserves.
Right.
So pay attention to that document.
Depending on that automatic payment or how you have it set up, right?
That's right.
If it's what's due, you should be in good shape. If it's set to pay what your past mortgage payments were in the past, the bank's not going to know to update that unless you tell it to update it. So
right.
Depends on how you have those automatic payments set up, but definitely something to consider, because I can see some people
actually look at that document. Call us if you have any questions.
Right. All right, everybody, good luck. Hopefully your appeals come in friendly, and we'll see you on the next version.